So guys, the Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, has tweeted that the Chandrayaan 3 mission, about the Chandrayaan 3 mission, that smile please, Pragyan Rover clicked an image of Vikram Lander this morning. The image of the mission was taken by the navigation camera on board the rover, that is the NavCam. The NavCam for the Chandrayaan 3 mission are developed by the Laboratory of Electro-Optic System, LEOS. So guys, this is the two images which is shared by the Pragyan Rover that has been there on the moon surface. So this you can see that very beautiful images of the Vikram lander. So this was the lander through which the Pragyan rover came out, and this is very complex system and very advanced machinery. So this is the Vikram lander. As you can see, this Vikram lander is decorated by two vital devices, that is the ChaSTE and the ILSA. The ChaSTE is responsible for the temperature measuring of the moon surface. So it will monitor the the temperature around the moon surface and measure the overall temperature and study it. And the ILSA is responsible for the seismic activities, that is the it monitors the seismic activities which are carried out on the moon surfaces through natural phenomena, right? So these are the two vital devices, so these are the beautiful images. So this you can see that the Pragyan rover of the Chandrayaan 3 has sent across a picture of the Vikram lander on the surface of the moon. The picture was taken this morning from a distance. The Indian Space Research Organization said that the images of the mission was taken by the navigation camera on board the rover. So guys, so these images were taken by the Pragyan rover, which obviously you can't see because it is taking the picture. So this is the Vikram lander, and the picture was taken by a special onboard device, that is NavCam. So NavCam, which was developed by LEOS, that is the Laboratory for Electro-Optic System, so which took the beautiful images of this Vikram lander. Apart from that, guys, this ChaSTE, which I was talking, that it is a vital device. So its full form is that Chandra's Surface Thermophysical Experiment. So its full form is Chandra Surface Thermophysical Experiment, which recently measured the temperature profile on the lunar surface on the south pole to understand the thermal behavior of moon surface, and can also be seen in the picture sent over by the Pragyan rover. So yes guys, this is the ChaSTE which has been decorated on this Vikram lander, and it measures the thermal temperature of the moon, right? After that, those guys, the Shiv Shakti point, which is widely in news, as you all know, that the Shiv Shakti point has been declared that very point where the Chandrayaan 3 actually landed. So that point was given by our Indian government and declared that that point on the moon, southern surface of the moon, will be known as Shiv Shakti point forever. So you can see that the Shiv Shakti point is the name given by India to the landing site of the Chandrayaan 3 lunar lander, which touched down about 600 km away from the south pole of the moon on August 23, 2023. So guys, this is the another image which is taken by obviously the Pragyan rover. So in this image you can see that these are the prints of what? These are the print of the, so these are the footprint of the wheels of the Pragyan rovers, and you can see that it looks so beautiful. And for the eternity of the time, unless and until some natural phenomena occurs on the moon, these marks will be always forever, right? So it is beautiful, and you can see that since there is very less atmosphere on the moon, so that the sky is what? Black, right? So satellite, and this is the crater on the moon. Since you know that there are very long craters on the surface of moon, as long as 9 km of diameter, although this was the crater which had the diameter of 4 meter. So this was the crater. So this is the enlarged image of the Vikram lander, which is very beautiful and very dynamic. Guys, National Space Day has also been organized for the very first time in the Indian history. The cabinet resolution adopted on August 29 welcomed that August 23 would be celebrated as the National Space Day and congratulated the Indian Space Research Organization for this. So from now onwards, August 23 will be celebrated as the National Space Day for the commemoration of the successful landing of the Chandrayaan 3 on the southern pole of the moon surface. So National Space Day is a vital thing. Apart from that, since we know that the Chandrayaan 3 is being sent for the various kind of scientific researches, so as for now the Chandrayaan 3 has discovered several elements which are sulfur, aluminium, calcium, iron, chromium, titanium, manganese, silicon and oxygen. So these are some vital elements which Chandrayaan 3 3s Pragyan rover has already discovered on the moon surface, on the south pole of the moon, and the scientists are still searching for the hydrogen, which is very vital element. So scientists are searching for the hydrogen element on the surface of the moon. Apart from that, this is a brief knowledge about the Pragyan rover, which one should know that the Pragyan rover weighs around 27 kg and it has an electric power generation of what, 50 watts. That you know that the Pragyan rover is decorated with a solar panel which helps it to generate the electric power so that it can propagate on the moon surface. So the power generated by the solar panel is what, 50 watt. Solar panel generates 50 watt of energy for the Pragyan rover. So guys, this is all about this video, and we just talk about the beautiful images of this Pragyan rover shared by the Isro. So this is all about the video, and let's meet you in another video. Thank you and Jai Hind.